to convert friends to followers on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on your name at the top, which will open your profile. Then, click on three dots beside Edit Profile. After you've clicked on three dots beside Edit Profile, in here, simply click on Turn on Professional Mode. After that, at the bottom, click on Turn On. Then you'll find all these options. Click on Turn On again, and then press on Next. Press on Next again. After you've pressed on Next, you're good to go. This is how to convert friends to followers on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.